welcome to my channel. And again, my topic for today is a very hot topic, as Zelensky meet Trump in the White House. Zelensky and Trump talking about peace talks for their lands, to giving a chance to have peace, just like what happened to the Middle East, in Israel, in Gaza, and Gaza, Palestine, that successfully Trump made it for phase 1 peace talks, and I hope it will do the same in Ukraine against Russia, as Russia yesterday, Russian President and President Putin and President Trump yesterday were talking. Meron ng initial meeting silang dalawang mga presidente sa Russia at Amerika kahapon. So mas maganda na masang-ayunan nila kung anong mutual na kasunduan sa Ukraine, as Ukraine giving their feelings, their expression that they wanted to have peace, and Trump also wanted to have another peace talk. He wants to get this one because he is eyeing for the Nobel Prize as the president, peace, as a peace president. And who knows, maybe he will get it or not. Russia may have may be going to accept a deal or not, because as of today, the momentum of the war was just recently shifted from Russia to Ukraine. So Ukraine now some positive outcome of the war. They get many areas just from 2 weeks, last 2 weeks, and until now. And even Pokrov City, hindi na, although mayroong mga Russian na nakapasok sa Pokrov, yung mga intel nila, yung mga group nga sabotage group nila, pero hindi na kaya, hindi pa rin na pasok sa Russia yung Pokrovs. At in the side of Pokrovs, kasi parang sinircle na nila yung part sa yung mga yung ibang lugar na na malapit sa Pokrovsk. Parang half circle na yung Russia at nakabreak na sila na yung first line of defense. Many were thinking that it is the positive outcome for Russia, that they break the first line and it will then take over for a vast land of Ukraine. But Ukraine stopped it and they trapped in small groups of Russian soldiers in the area of near Pokrovsk. Zelensky asking for the Tomahawk missile. Unfortunately, Trump disagree or change his decision. As we know, Trump always changing decision, changing plan, and now he's changing that decision because he said that is not important. The important is to stop the war. It's very sad for Zelensky and Ukraine, and they will be talking again about the issue as Trump positively thinking that Putin will agree ceasefire. And for now, Ukraine is not in bad position because they counterattack and managed to take some of the land, particularly in the Pokrovsk, in Donetsk, and the war is stalled for many areas, and it's very good. And I hope this will end the war, because 1.2 million of Russian killed and injured, while Ukraine has 800 or less or more, because they don't have exact number. And I hope it will be the second peace talks, and maybe Trump will get the Nobel Prize for that as peace president. And thanks for watching, and watch my other videos. Please like and subscribe to my channel.